What's going on, guys? I'm Anthony Deceglie with Sandy Hook Yachts. I'm going to take you guys on a walkthrough here of the Seafox 268 Commander. Here in the 268 Commander, it is powered by our twin Yamaha 200 V6 motors. Here in the transom of the boat, you'll see we have a Yeti pull-out cooler. We'll also have great seating for friends and family. Over here on this side, we'll have the see-through live well, which is LED lit up, which is awesome for fish, and kids love that. Also, this is optioned with our removable ski tow bar. Up here at the helm on the 268 Commander, you'll see we have our twin pop-up bolsters, as well as our digital Yamaha switching, Garmin GPS. You have your Yamaha display, upgraded Fusion head unit. Up top here, you'll have your wireless phone charger, which is an awesome, nice touch. You'll have your LED light switching up here, red, white, and blue LED lights throughout. You'll also be equipped with underwater lights. Up front here on the 268 Commander, you'll see where I'm sitting is the awesome sun pad up here for you and your companion, friends, family, whatever you got. Up front, you'll see there's tremendous amounts of seating, scallop backrest, which is awesome, conforms to your back. You also have a pop-up table and or casting platform. And this boat's also equipped with a windlass anchor, which is an awesome feature. And above, you will also see we have our carbon fiber canopy for sunshade for the sandbars. Again, I'm Anthony Deceglie with Sandy Hook Yachts. Thanks for checking out this Seafox 268 Commander with me. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out at sales@sandyhookyachts.com.